Hi fams, yeah, welcome back to Tech. In this new video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a blurry border to your videos and Capcut. Now the first thing is to have your Capcut launched and then import your video to Capcut, and once that has been done, you don't want to drag the video to the timeline. Now right at the timeline, we want to come to the right section on the editor, then scroll down to canvas. So make sure that you tick on canvas, and then you'd want to select from the drop down. You can blur, scroll down a little bit to see the block option, and then you'd want to select the blur option. However, to see the blur, you can scroll back up to scale and then scale your video inward so that the blurry borderlines become so visible. Alright, so we can now go back to the blur section and pick the type of blur that we want to implement on our video. So let's just dilute to preview to see how that is showcased on the video. So from here, you can scale inward as much as you'd want the video to go, and that's how to add a blurry background to your videos using Capcut or PC. Thank you for watching the video, and like and share, and also subscribe to the channel.